Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. I'll talk about my new Dibbler spikes. You may have seen the gritter before, and this is the gritter itself. So you can see this is just a regular gritter spool. What we have is spikes attached, and they're just held on by magnets. So they just come on and off real easy, just like that. And so this is perfect for plastic, or you have harder soil and you want to make a mark. You're still going to get perfect row spacing on a 30-inch. It's going to be perfectly even for a 30-inch bed. You can just add them to a gritter spool. They're stainless, so you don't have to worry about them. They're indestructible, really nice. If you have an older version of this, you may need a new handle. If you have a slider, then you can use the upgrade. It's just an extension, just so that the dibbles can pass through it. So I'm going to roll it along the bed. It's just like a regular gritter. So if you've never seen that before, you just pull it, line it with the edge of the bed, and you get perfectly even grit, or in this case, dibbles. Alright, so you can use it either way. You can use it as a gritter, right? Take them off and use it as a gritter or a dibbler. It doesn't matter, either way.